Oh yeah, how's your shopping? Oh yeah, I told them about my microwave that I bought the other day.
Flashback.
Wait, what is this? Multifunctional microwave oven with healthy air fry convection cooking. What? You can microwave, air fry, broil, convection bake. Whoa! What is this cracked? Wait. What? 8-in-1 built-in air fryable microwave oven? What? You could air fry, microwave, and convection bake. That's all you need. Okay, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna check out. Okay, let's do this. Where's the checkout button? I bought a microwave air fryer. What the heck am I doing on stream? Holy cow. What am I doing, chat? Holy cow. At 2 a.m. in the morning. I hope they don't think that I hacked anything. I need to explain to my family though that I bought a microwave because it was Prime Day.
End of flashback.
They said, oh cool, it's on sale. You bought it at a discount? Oh nice. It has an air fryer feature, so we don't need a toaster oven anymore. Cool, we're saving space. Cool. Nice. That was the reaction. Oh, for those who weren't there, last stream, I impulse bought a microwave air fryer combo on Prime Day at like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I just surprised my family with a microwave air fryer out of nowhere. And it's coming in the mail sometime soon, I guess. Microwave air fryer combo, kinda lit. Hey baby, it's me, Shu Yamino. Hey baby, gay, let's go.